Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Sublime text editor to your Windows machine. For that, just open your browser and go to Google and search for download Sublime text editor. So go to their official website, and then there is a new version of it. You can just go and click on the Sublime Text 4 and then choose the Windows one. If you have different machine, you can choose that one. It's pretty straightforward. After it downloaded here, just click on it. And then you will need to say yes when it asks, do you want to allow this app make changes on your device? Okay. Then say next. If you want, you can add Explorer context menu. And I'm not gonna do that, but it's totally up to you. And say next, then install. It will install it to your machine and just finish. And there we go. We have Sublime text editor in our machine. If we come here, say Sublime, just click on it. There we go. This is our Sublime text editor. It's pretty good. It's like our notepad on our phone. I mean, yes, on our iPhones or basically on our Windows machine. But this is the cooler one. I like to use it. Hello world. Oh, nice. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in upcoming videos. Take care.